Last year, nakita nyo ako na umiyak sa KOJC. Even if I'm a Muslim at hindi po ako KOJC or Christian. But today, hindi nyo ako nakikita na I'm smiling. Why ho? Two things. If sakali na you are firing or sinibak ng isang very, very high position na tao who could actually do something that is, what you say, questionable, two things. Okay, two things. Either meron kayong itatago na kinakailangan na ilihim, or there is a greater agenda in mind. There's a greater power play in mind. Nakita niyo ako, hindi ako parang galit kasi talagang I'm on your side. Either you know something that you could actually spill out, or there is a greater game o greater na laro. This is just my opinion, guys. What do you think? Personal opinion ko lang po to. Again, oh my gulay!